There will always be wonders that will astound you, even if you think you have seen everything there is to see. Even if you're a devoted animal lover, it is impossible for you to know everything about the 1,367,555 non-insect animal species that have been discovered so far. By the time you complete this video, new animal species may have been identified, thus there will likely be more discoveries to make. However, just 5% of the oceans have been thoroughly investigated by humans, suggesting that there are undoubtedly many more dreadful water animals waiting to be discovered. In this video, we will talk about the top 10 unique animals you won't believe exist. So let's take a look. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Superb bird of paradise. The struggle among male superior bird of paradise is strong because there aren't many females in the species. They conduct one of the strongest and most intricate courtship displays in the bird world as a result. The female is a reddish-brown bird with brownish-barred buff below, while the male is a black bird with an iridescent green crown, blue-green breast cover, and a long velvety black erectile cape enveloping his back. Most birds of paradise exhibit sexual dimorphism. The plumage of males is more ornate and colorful than that of females, which is duller. Between species, there are huge variations in coloring and plumage types. Tropical forests, rainforests, montane forests, and marshes make up the habitat. Number 9. Sea pig. Even while sea pigs are very widespread, it's unlikely that you will ever encounter one in person. They only exist in the coldest, darkest, and deepest regions of the ocean, up to 4 miles below the surface. The name sea pig refers to the animal's inflated legs and round, pinkish body. Sea pigs typically measure 4 to 6 inches in length. They are deposit feeders and get their food by pulling organic muck from the deep water. According to Pawson, sea pigs have antenna-like legs on top of their heads that allow them to smell their surroundings. Number 8. Lilac-breasted roller. The lilac-breasted roller is a colorful bird with a wide distribution in sub-Saharan Africa and the southern Arabian Peninsula. It enjoys perching in tall trees and other vantage points so it can see prey at ground level. Their vivid plumage is easily distinguished by their dark purple breast feathers. All rollers appear to be monogamous and quite territorial in their behavior. The lilac-breasted roller will perch on a dead tree and look around for probable prey. One distinctive aspect of its behavior is its inclination to prey on animals fleeing bushfires. During the breeding season, it enjoys performing aerial tricks and has a swift flight. Number 7. Goblin shark. This unique shark, which is occasionally referred to as a living fossil, is the only extant member of the family Mitsukirinidae, a lineage that is around 125 million years old. Adult goblin sharks are found in depths greater than 100 meters all over the world, while juveniles are found closer to the surface. The goblin shark is not dangerous to people because of the depths at which it dwells. Even though goblin sharks are uncommon to catch, they undoubtedly happen frequently. The shark's rarity is likely caused by the fact that it lives at the bottom of a deep body of water and is rarely observed near the top. Most are discovered on continental slopes that are 270 to 960 meters deep. Number 6. The panda ant. Despite the names, the Mutilidae are a family of more than 3,000 species of wasps, the females of which lack wings and resemble enormous, hairy ants. They originate from Chile and go by the names cow killer or cow ant because of how terrible their stings are. Due to their hair coloration resembling that of the Chinese giant panda, black and white specimens are occasionally referred to as panda ants. The name cow killer ants refers to the reputation of velvet ants, especially the panda ant, for their very painful stings. Number 5. Mantis shrimp. One of the most frequent predators in tropical and subtropical waters, often known as sea locusts, prawn killers, and even thumb splitters. Little is known about them since they spend so much time lurking in their tunnels. Mantis shrimp are among the animal kingdom's toughest creatures, since they accelerate faster than a bullet. One strike from one of its club-like appendages can rip through a snail's shell or take an arm off a crab. In the past, these little but mighty crustaceans have defeated octopuses. Number 4. Sunda colugo. Originally from Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore, the colugo species is known as the Sunda colugo or Sunda flying lemur. It glides rather than flying, proving that it is not a lemur. Sunda colugo is a nocturnal animal that consumes soft plant materials like young leaves, shoots, blossoms, and fruits. The Philippine flying lemur, which is only found in the Philippines, was previously believed to be the other species of flying lemur. Colugos spend the day curled up in the cracks and crevices of the rainforest trees, coming out at night to eat young leaves. Tsuji and his team discovered that they are picky about the types of trees they sleep in, preferring large, solitary trees that are standing tall. Number 3. Fossa. Although the fossa resembles a cat or a monkey, it belongs to the Eupluridae. The mongooses are this family of carnivores' closest cousins, and they are exclusively found on the island of Madagascar. Lemurs make up about 50% of the diet of this species, which is the biggest native predator in Madagascar. The fossa evolved into the largest native carnivore and took control of the island after spending millions of years stranded on Madagascar. Fossas are currently considered a vulnerable species, with only 2,500 remaining in the wild. Number 2. Glaucus atlanticus. This creature, a type of blue sea slug, is also known as the blue dragon. It floats on the surface because of a gas-filled sac in its gut. Thus you might locate it in the warm ocean waters. A stinging sting and symptoms resembling those of its prey may follow from picking one up. These include nauseousness, vomiting, and discomfort. The blue glaucus is not venomous on its own, like other sea slug species. The blue glaucus stores the stinging nematocysts produced by the prey's very long, deadly tentacles, which may grow up to 30 feet long. Number 1. Venezuelan poodle moth. This moth, which was found in Venezuela in 2009, is thought to resemble a poodle. That is, if poodles had enormous feathered wings in place of ears. The head, thorax, abdomen, and even the wings of this new species of strange-looking moth are covered with poodle-like fur. A fascinating, fluffy insect known as the Venezuelan poodle moth has only ever been discovered once, and it was not sampled. There is no way to learn more about it without conducting additional research because its taxonomy has not yet been established. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.